It's all about seed control for corporate manufacturers of GMO crops. So it's no surprise that these same companies are making moves to control your non-GMO garden seed as well. In the last several years, a number of international agri-conglomerates have consolidated their hold over the very garden seed we plant. This brings some of the same problems: loss of seed diversity, spiraling seed costs, and reduced seed quality that crop growers around the world face from the owners of genetically modified seeds. And it's happening under our noses right in our own backyards. When Monsanto purchased Seminis, a worldwide supplier to many of the gardening companies and seed catalogs we know and cherish, it took control of 40% of the vegetable seed market. The implications are frightening. Do we really want corporations that most organic gardeners already despise to control what goes into our home garden? Is a day not far off when Roundup-resistant vegetable seed is offered to home gardeners? American farmers are already growing GMO zucchini and summer squash. If you, like me, are concerned what giant conglomerate control means for the future of seed stock diversity and prices, then purchase only heirloom or organic seed from reputable companies. Knowing where our seed stock comes from and avoiding corporate-controlled seed sources may take a little more work on our part, but the stakes for gardeners this generation and the next are high. And what gardener fears a little work and getting her hands dirty, especially when the future of independent organic gardening lies in the balance?